Hello everyone. First of all, I want to deliver my brother honorable lecture ini and to deliver friend of TRPK A. My name is Muhamad Latiful Fikri. I will presentation my presentation type of plier. Set cutting plier used for principally holding and bending film material or cutting wire. Diagonal cutting plier are used to remove and replace fixed combination cutting plier. Are used special value for holding and bending flat on stock. Tongs resemble plier. Tongs resemble plier used for wire, rivet, and bolt. Round nose plier used for making rings. Round nose plier to use connection between parts such as switches. Flat jaw plier used for opening and closing jump ring. Thank you for your keen attention. I hope you enjoy my presentation and see you goodbye.